guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your love here on this tutorial. And on today's tutorial, we're going to be making a basic sleeve. We're going to be drafting a basic sleeve. And I place my drafting paper on the table. And the next marking I want to make is my marginal line. And this line is going to guide me to get every necessary measurement for the basic sleeve here on today's tutorial. So the next marking I want to make is the length of the sleeve. The length of the sleeve will be 10 inches, and I still have extra 0.75 for the hemming allowance of the sleeve. So I will mark a line across the paper on the table, and this is what I'm doing on the point of this 10 inches I made earlier. So from the folding part, I will place my tape measure and mark 4 inches, and you could mark 4.5. So 4 inches is good. And place your tape measure on the marginal line, the starting line, to mark 4.5 for your bicep line. And this is what I'm doing. I'm marking my bicep line, which is 4.5. And I will mark a line across the dot I made earlier. And this is what I'm doing with my ruler and my pencil. I hope you saw the line I drew. Now I place my tape measure on the starting line, which is my marginal line as well, to mark 4.5, and then I will look for the middle of this, half of this 4.5, which is my bicep line. From the marginal line to the bicep line, I have 4.5 divided by 2 gives me 2 1/4, and this is what I marked out. So I will just connect from this folding part like this. The way I'm doing, I will connect, I will make a dot. I hope you saw the dot I made from the folding part to the half of my bicep measurement I made earlier. So the next step is to look for the half of my round armhole. I have 14 inches for the round of my armhole, and then divided by 2 gives me 7 inches. This is what I'm marking. Then I will add just 1 inch allowance to it. Then I will make a point. I've made the point, and then I'm going to the lower part of the sleeve we are making. So I will place the round sleeve measurement. I have 12 inches for the round sleeve measurement. Then I place 6 inches because 12 inches divided by 2 gives me 6 inches. I made the point, then I added 1 inch for sewing allowance. So the next step is to connect this together, as you can see me doing this way. Please pay attention to how I will connect it here so that you don't make mistake anytime you want to make your own. I hope you saw what I'm connecting, the dot I'm making. Then I will connect it. I mark it across from the marginal line to the bicep line. This is what I'm trying to do with my pencil. So I want to shade it very well so that you can see through. I hope you saw what I'm shading. So this is how it will look like whenever you are doing your own. So this is what I get. I hope you saw this. It's very easy to make, it's very easy to cut. So this is just a short sleeve, it's not a long sleeve. This is a short sleeve. You can make your own longer than this, you can make your own like this depending on your choice, but it's not a long sleeve. So the next step is to connect the markings together, and after I was done connecting, this is what I have, and we are done with it. So it's very simple to make, and it's beginners friendly. So that is my starting line. I wrote SL, and this is my bicep line. I wrote BL. I wrote BL there, and here is my full length, and I wrote FL, and I still have my allowance to pipe the bottom of the sleeve I'm making here onto this tutorial. So this is how it's looking. It's very simple to make, guys. So I went ahead and used my pen to just shade it, so I'm cutting right here. Just watch what I'm cutting. So this is how it's looking. So this is how it's looking, guys. This is my hemming allowance, my allowance to fold the lower part. So this is how it's looking. I'm sure you like it. It's very simple to make. This is very simple to make, and it's a short sleeve. If you want me to make long sleeve, let me know in comment section below. Many thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Please like this video, give this video thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and don't forget to put on the notification bell to get to an update as I will be uploading my new videos. I love you all. Thank you for watching.